Glynn's products sell. In fact, they sell extremely well with an average of 3,000 to 5,000 units sold per launch, and on Monday 5th of April we'll be expecting similar results as usual. Hey, this is Jenny, and on behalf of Glynn and the team, I'd like to invite you to promote Embassy, which goes live on Monday 5th of April at 10 AM EST. If you aren't aware, our team has sold in excess of $10 million of digital products, and online, we're currently the top vendors of the Warrior Plus network. If you promote Embassy on the 5th, we guarantee it will be your biggest payday of the year so far. Here are 5 reasons why you should sign up below and promote Embassy. 1. Unusually high conversions. We've invested over $20,000 into sales videos, sales, copy and marketing materials. We have custom videos for every single step of the funnel. We've also focused on mobile traffic, which is around 70% of the market. Thanks to our close relationship with Warrior Plus, we can offer custom payouts and enable special features that many other vendors can't. 2. Genuinely low refund rate. We've been in this industry for over 10 years. Make money products attract lots of refund requests, even the high quality products do. That's a fact. The secret to keeping refunds low is high quality customer support and saving refunds from customers who ask for them. That's why we invest heavily in support for our customers and have custom offers to save refunds. That's the key to saving refunds from customers who request them. 3. Evergreen offer. I've been an affiliate in the past. One thing I hated is when a new offer came along and I invested time and money to promote it. I set up review pages with some great bonuses, but in a couple of months the offer disappeared. Embassy is not that kind of offer. It's evergreen. We will be at the top of the market for years. We'll also update your affiliate tools regularly, so make sure you sign up below to get an email notification when we add new tools. 4. Huge prize money, no matter how many sales you send. If you sign up below, you'll qualify to be part of our launch contest. We have multiple contests running throughout the launch and we'll PayPal the winners instantly. 5. Reciprocation. You're probably aware by now, but Glynn is the #1 affiliate on Warrior Plus and multiple other affiliate networks. In fact, he's in the ClickBank Platinum Club for smashing $1 million in affiliate sales. If you want Glynn and our team to promote your next launch, then please do the right thing and promote this offer hard, starting Monday 5th of April. Glynn runs a no questions asked reciprocation business. Just promote and he's got your back. Your next step is to sign up below and apply to promote this offer. If you're on the JV page, then enter your email address to sign up for our regular affiliate updates. Once you've signed up, click the button to apply to promote this offer. This will take you through to Warrior Plus where you can submit your application. We usually approve affiliates every day, so we'll get around to your application within hours, if not minutes. So go ahead and do it right now. Sign up for regular launch updates and apply to promote Embassy. If you don't do it now, you'll hate yourself later. Thank you for promoting Embassy and we'll see you on the leaderboard.